All right, what's going on, guys? This is Logan with West Desert Wheeler. I caught a ride out here today with Brian from Hepta Manufacturing. He's got this awesome JK all spec'd out with all of the Hepta Manufacturing armor, as well as suspension kits. We're gonna talk a bunch about this Jeep along the trail. It's gonna be a good time out here. If you can hear a diesel, that's because we got a couple TJs out here with some diesel engines in them. Should be a good time out here on the trail. Here comes Brian in the Hepta Jeep. It's got his new 3-link suspension set up on the front of this. We're gonna get a good view of it as he comes around the corner. Double triangulated rear suspension. It's a suspension kit that he offers for JK Jeeps. If you guys are interested in making your Jeep extremely capable. Brian's running 42-inch MFG crawlers. 20-inch raceline wheels. See how the flat belly in there, nice and smooth for sliding over everything. He also got his rear tires put exactly where you want them on this obstacle. You got to buy the armor from the guys who use their Jeeps and know how to wheel them. Trying to splash me there. Very well done. Another day on the trail. All the way out to the end of it. Rear's gonna slip in. Got it. had an awesome group of wheelers out here today. Ended up out here at the end of the trail. Thanks so much to Brian for letting me tag along. Check out Hepta Manufacturing. They make excellent armor, high clearance, lightweight, very tucked in, and works really well on these Jeeps. So be sure to check out Hepta Manufacturing. Full suspension kits at this point. Again, double triangulated rear 4-link, and then we got the 3-link up front. Super rad, flat belly skids, all the good stuff. Brian wheels his stuff hard, so it has to work well, and it will work well on your Jeep. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Keep the rubber side down.